In number 2, we will again find that missing side using the Pythagorean theorem. And so the first thing that I think you should do is just write out the Pythagorean theorem. That way you can fill in values for the missing parts. We have to identify what the hypotenuse is. So I look for the right angle and I go across from that. So 10 is the longest side, it's the hypotenuse, and that's the value of C. So I'm going to plug 10 in here for C, and it's not just 10. Remember, this was C squared, so I've got to have 10 squared. Now I can use 6 and I can use X in place of my A and B. It doesn't really matter which order you put them in. So I'll put 6 here first. Don't forget to square it. And then X here, and we've got to square that as well. Okay, and now just a matter of doing a little bit of algebra. So 6 squared is 36. Bring down the X squared. We can't simplify that yet. And 10 squared is 100. I want to try to get my X by itself. Right now I've got 36 added to it, so I'm going to subtract away 36 on both sides. If I subtract away 36 on the left side, I'm left with X squared. If I subtract away 36 on the right side, 100 goes down to 64. And I'm almost there. I don't want X squared, I want to find just X. To undo the X squared, I've got to take the square root. That'll give me just X. The square root of X squared is X. And if I do the square root on one side, I've got to do it on the other as well. And so here we've got X equals 8. Technically, algebraically, it's plus or minus 8. But again, we're dealing with a distance, so that's got to be a positive 8 there.